Hi, I just got back from school. It is Wednesday, 1 o'clock p.m. and it's homecoming week. It's only the third day of the week and I'm already so drained. I have been up earlier than 5:30, 5:20 every single day this week, and I'm a girl who loves her sleep, so it's been a little rough, but I'm so hyped for this video this weekend. So much is going on and I'm here to capture it all for your entertainment. I wrote down important things to tell you before I get into the chaos that is this week. We had Y2K Wednesday today for our dress up day and I wore those for that. I was honestly more 70s. But oh well. Updates first, my homecoming proposal. This happened last night. It was so much fun. It really makes me wish I would have started this vlog yesterday so I could have filmed it. Wait, pause. Also, if you're new, I broke my thumb. Okay, broke is a little dramatic. It's an avulsion fracture. I had an x-ray the other day to confirm that because originally the urgent care said that it was just a sprain and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm literally going insane because I swore I heard a pop when it happened. I was basing a stunt in cheer. Honestly, good to know I wasn't imagining things, you know? There actually was pop. Okay. I have ADHD also if you're new, so bear with me here. And shout out to my ADHD girlies. Where was I going? See, that's the ADHD talking. Here's the sign. It was Kanye themed because there's this photo of us before we started dating in my car and the song that's playing is Bound To. That was that. I kind of had a feeling it was happening, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this whole event and all my friends would be there. I thought it was just us two going out for Pazookies because it was Tuesday. He did a good job. Tomorrow is the homecoming pep rally. My battery's flashing, cool. Friday is the homecoming game and Saturday is the homecoming dance. So it's the trifecta of days because I'm in ASB at my school and cheer, so we have performances on Thursday and Friday and then the dance Saturday. So this vlog will be through the end of Friday and then I'll do a different video for the homecoming dance. Subscribe and stay tuned for that if you haven't already. I have vlogged so many dances and just school events in general throughout my high school years and I can't believe that this is my last homecoming ever. It has gone by so fast, but it also feels like I've been here for such a long time. It's hard to believe. I feel like I'm recording myself on a selfie stick right now. Look at this. Also, my room is a sty right now. I'm taking care of it in a sec. I bought this thing so I could up my TikTok game and I didn't realize it also had a camera attachment. I need to stop moving and settle down. Basically, because things are so busy, today is my day to knock everything out. I have no plans tonight besides going to Pilates at 5:30. Because my ADHD is evidently raging right now, I am going to remove myself from this environment after I clean it and go get all my assignments done. If I'm already so exhausted now, I know that I will be a wreck on Sunday after the dance the night before. I don't want to have to worry about doing work before Monday. I want to get a head start on editing this video, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna throw my dirty laundry in the washer, fold my clean laundry, change the sheets on my bed, and vacuum my room, hopefully. I need to really just put my head down and work right now because I cannot afford to waste the precious time that I have on my hands right now. I should change into my clothes for Pilates right now and then go. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. One sec. Okay, outfit change. It doesn't really match. It's pink and navy blue, but everything else I own is dirty. It's overflowing, so let's fix it. Hi, it's 5:15 right now. I'm on my way to Pilates. I did a lot of work, but I still didn't get as much as I wanted to done, which is okay. I'm crisscrossed because I have a fanny, but I ate a little snack before I left. I still have a little bit of work to do when I get home. I was trying to knock it all out, but it is what it is. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. I'm at a red light right now, and I took off the brace so I could move my thumb around a little bit so it wouldn't be so tense at first. Okay, gotta go. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. I'm meeting Sydney, and we're probably gonna go get food after because this class is gonna kick our butts. Guys, we are dead.
Kate took me to my first Pilates class.
Well, this is my second Pilates class.
Her second
so
Pilates
I'm not.
class.
Don't be thinking I'm some like experienced girl who goes to Pilates all the time. Don't be fooled. Go on.
Last time I went to the gym, it's a long time ago. Anyway, it kicked my booty.
Oh yeah.
Katie and I were in the corner shaking and not doing half the exercises because we couldn't do them.
I was also dripping sweat.
I was dripping sweat too.
Down my face.
Anyone like my little hairstyle right now? I had 2 buns and I put it up.
She said she was gonna look like a chipmunk.
Look like a chipmunk. Anyways, it's been a fetch today.
It's been a fetch. That's our new word recently. Oh my god, I look like a man.
This week has really just been like the epitome of just like bus, club,
Another club.
another club,
No sleep.
next place. No sleep. It's actually, do you see these bags? That's not mascara, that's bags. We are dead. So today, well yesterday, every day I've had to wake up at 4:30.
Yep.
Because I live 45 minutes from school.
That's
and we
ridiculous.
cheer. Also, I have
Bizarre.
like sleep paralysis and wake up at 2 a.m. no matter what. So that's fun. Anyway, Monday, morning practice. Tuesday, even earlier morning practice.
Why did I say pass it
Today, morning practice again. Anyways, I want to talk about it. I just got on you.
Yeah.
I gleeked himself.
That's okay. It's all good. We're delusional.
Anyways, so this morning, up for cheer again.
There's this TikTok. Why is this lighting so weird?
I really think it's just my face.
I think I need to throw it back a little.
Now I'm gonna go home and eat my steak
She's ditching me.
like a good little girl.
I'm just kidding.
I would never ditch her for dinner if it wasn't Nick's waiting at home.
We're back a little later. It's a 7 something right now. I just went through McDonald's because my mom called me and wanted a McFlurry, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted. Like, I really don't want to go through this line right now. I was like, Mom, can I just come home? And she's like, yeah, fine, whatever. And then I had a realization, sorry, you can barely see me right now, regarding the fact that if I called someone asking for a McFlurry and they told me no, I would be so pissed. My mom doesn't like when I use that word, so I'm really sorry, Mom. But I got her McFlurry, so she can't be mad at me now. Anyway, the reason this is such a predicament for me right now is because I am trying so hard to stay away from dairy. I'm starving out of my mind because I haven't had dinner, so I just got small fries and I ate those up real quick. But I'm trying not to eat dairy because when I do, this is so TMI, I get really bad gas and my stomach in general is just uncomfortable, so I thought it was time to do something about it. But the thought of giving up dairy and just this whole drive, not being able to take a bite of this has been torture, honestly. I know there's dairy-free options, like dairy-free cheeses, ice cream, things like that, but let's be honest, it is not the same. All that to say, if you're lactose intolerant, if you have any tips for people who are dairy-free, things like that, please help a girl out in the comment section. My friend Grace said to take lactate pills, so I'm gonna look into that, see what I can do, and I probably will not talk to you guys the rest of tonight. I'm gonna go inside, eat dinner, shower. My mom brought back this tostada salad thing for me from a Mexican food restaurant that she went to tonight, so I'm excited about that. Shower, get ready for bed, get everything ready for tomorrow, pep rally day, and then I'll watch some Virgin River and go to sleep and get some more work done because it's still pretty early, but I want to go to sleep as early as possible if I can because the 5 and 4 hours of sleep is not doing it for me. I look really sunburnt in this light. It's just because my car light is bright, but I'll see you tomorrow. Hello. Pep rally day, we have to do a run through. There's Cammy.
Hi guys, it's Hey Miss Yazzie. Today, Katie's trusting me with the camera. For now, we're doing a run through of the pep rally. Got the 80s fit on, fanny pack, my mom's literal Zumba shoes. You have to go all out for the senior year.
Okay, pep rally is over. I just did a little montage because it was really chaotic. I couldn't vlog anything. It was so loud. I would have gotten copyrighted. Want to say hi?
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Why?
We did it so many times. I did it 6 times.
There's so much going on, but I'm about to change out of my uniform because I have to go to math. One thing about Grace, she does not skimp on dress-up days.
I did Princess Diana for the 80s, so I got the hair, got the sweatshirt, got the pants, got the matching shoes.
I have on my 1989 shirt and the flares.
Anyways, here's my outfit. We need a full view. Like, this isn't doing it justice yet.
Okay, we're in class and Hope is braiding my hair right now. I'm so glad that side parts went out of style. Imagine.
Oh no. So chat. You seem so chat.
It's Trey here.
Okay, I need to do my assignment. I don't know where the footage went, but right in this section before the clip of me with the Starbucks, I talk about what was going on the second half of the day, but honestly, you can just infer Grace and I had a nail appointment, and so we were on our way there. I wanted to get the peach green tea lemonade, but they were all out of peach, so this is what I resorted to. I cannot speak, you guys, I'm so exhausted. But it's really refreshing because it's actually 1,000,000 degrees outside, and we'll talk to you guys.
It's 81 degrees, but it's still terrible.
When we get to the nail salon. The heat is just blasting. Wow, Grace, you're
Sorry.
freaking really hard.
So excited for homecoming.
We'll talk to you guys in a minute.
I am excited for homecoming.
We're just really tired. Okay, nails.
Hey guys, I got my dress. She's back there. Can you see her?
Nails are done, and we just went to the alteration place to pick up Grace's dress. I'm about to spill this everywhere. See the nails? Looks so good. And these are mine. Here's my toes. There's creeps in my DMs who asked for feet pics. Lucy killed it. And now we're going to get our brows done. And my lip wax, because I have a mustache.
That's waxed or threaded?
Threaded, sorry, not waxed. I saw a dermatologist on TikTok and she said that waxing's not good for your skin, so.
Oh.
you gonna eat the brow?
But who knows if I should
Are you
trust
gonna
her.
get
She
the
could be a
stash
fake one.
one?
The brows are done. My camera decided to die out on me, so
Then there's these, they like wrap around.
we're vlogging on the phone. Grace is my
Grace
stylist right
wants
now.
Katie to wear pink shoes with her
I
yellow
don't know how I
dress.
feel about it though. I need to branch out and do something fun though. We're at Nordstrom Rack and this is what we're working with. My dress. I still have these cute flip-flops from the nail salon on. Hi guys, good morning. It's Friday. It is 7-something p.m. This is the first day. It feels like I slept in because this is the first day that I slept past 7 o'clock because we have a late start on Fridays. I have to leave in like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna speed do my makeup and then give you guys the lowdown on what's happening today. So I have 2 classes today. I get out around like 11 and I need to show you guys the shoes I got and what I got at Target. I'll do that in 1 sec. I totally forgot to update you on that. So I get out at 11:10. By the way, all this stuff, the makeup I'm using is linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to check it out. And plenty of other things are linked in there too. I have like car essentials, self-care things, whatever you need from me. A lot of it is all in my storefront, link in the description. So after my classes, I'm going with Matt to the Apple store because I'm buying the new iPhone today. This is like horrible timing. I wish Apple would have released this in a week because I want to do a video on it and unboxing. I posted this iPhone 12 unboxing and it has almost 1 million views. It's the most popular video on my channel. So I want to unbox the 14, plus my phone is so slow. I need more storage. It's just a disaster. And then we're gonna grab lunch and then we're going to Grace's house to get ready and then back to school. I have to be at school at 3:30 because I'm on ASB to start setting up for the game. Then we have a flower crown ceremony for cheer at 6, but we start warming up at 5 and then game starts at 7 p.m. So it's gonna be such a fun night. I need to do mascara and lip gloss and I'll be done. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:49 a.m.
Okay. Mascara is done. I had to look close in a mirror because I have horrible vision. That reminds me I also need to put my contacts in. I should have done that before I put my mascara in though. Oh well. Anyway, I'm trying to decide if I should wear the little tiny gold hoops or the white. I'll probably just go with the white. I have white jeans. That leads me to my next point. It doesn't really lead me, just like I need to move on to the next topic. The shoes and what I got at Target. Wait, brows really quick. My thumb is feeling really good today. I don't have the brace on right now. I'm gonna wear it at school, but I'm trying to wear it a little bit less so my thumb can have some more mobility. This is Glossier Boy Brow Target stuff. Starting off, I got 2 lip glosses, the NYX Butter Gloss and this Revolution or Makeup Revolution Clear Plumping Gloss. I'm gonna put this on right now. I lose all my lip glosses, so hopefully that's not the case with those 2. I ended up going with the pink shoes, which I love. I'm so excited about them. I was worried though that it wasn't gonna tie in with the yellow or anything Matt was wearing, so I just called the flower place and asked them to do a sheer pink ribbon instead of a white ribbon. It's kind of out there for me. Usually I'm just very basic and I do beige shoes or white, but I'm really excited about these. Also got sticky boobs because necessary. I ordered like a 40 pack off of Amazon and I already went through all those. I use them all the time. They're so helpful. This hand sanitizer because I'm almost out. This was an impulse purchase. These little lash trios because I want to do false lashes, but I don't want to do a full eye of them because they just look like a lot to me. So if I put these on the end, I think it would look good. And then I got a card from my friend City because it's her birthday today. I sent her a big long message, but I'm waiting to give her card and her gift till her birthday party. So that's that. Since I'm not gonna be home, I need to pack up all this makeup really quick, run downstairs, fill my water, and then I will be on my way. I took a shower last night, but it's been days since I've washed my hair, so dry shampoo is saving it right now. I'm trying to wait till tomorrow morning because of the dance. Okay, bye. Hello guys, update. I have not vlogged all day. This is my like millionth time refilming this clip because I cannot seem to find the right words. I'm literally, what?
That's not why, just tell him why.
He won't stop talking.
I got banned from talking.
I went to the Apple store, got in line, and they told me that I needed to have an appointment to shop, and so I had a little bit of a meltdown. It wasn't actually, I wasn't crying, I was just upset because I really wanted to do the video on it, and it's already been like a long week. I was looking forward to it. It's been a great week, but I'm just really tired, so I had a little bit of a meltdown. And then I went to irrational mode. If you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about, that one day when you are irrational and you're like, why am I being like this? And then you realize. I'm going to Grace's house right now. I'm gonna eat this up, probably eat a bunch of other stuff, and then get ready for the game. Okay, you're unbanned from silence.
Okay, today. Oh, I stopped using crutches today. I was watching the Chargers yesterday, right? And they were playing the Chiefs, and they melted down, if you were watching, and it was really sad.
Just like me.
Justin Herbert broke his ribs, and he still played because he's got that dog in him. Now I'm taking her to Grace's house, and then our game today is at our field for the first time ever. But they're sticking us in the back of the end zone, which is like the worst place you could ever choose to watch a game. I'll try to have a good attitude about it. We're here now, guys. Bye.
I made it to Grace's house to get ready. She put on her homecoming dress. She's back there. You guys will see the full thing in tomorrow's vlog, which is a different video, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna get ready and we'll probably talk to you guys when we're all ready to go. Or maybe I'll update you halfway through. Hello guys, I'm all ready. We just got to school. I've been eating a salad on the way because I'm starving. Allie, say hi.
Hi.
Allie's with us and Grace drove and we need to get out of the car because we're late by like 5 minutes. What's new? See you soon. Yasmin is here. I'm carrying this salad around and there's already so much going on.
And it's only 3:40.
Yeah, it's only 3:40. So we've got a ripe 4 hours till things start going down.
Woo! I'm so excited.
Can you believe it's our last one?
Last homecoming.
I can't believe it. Hi. Hey. We have like an hour until the game and we're
Guys, it's my birthday.
It's Sydney's
my
birthday. Everybody wish her happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Chris is taking photos. We are about to do the wreath ceremony where they put the flower crowns in our hair. I'm a fan of the lip glosses, in case you're wondering. I'm vlogging. Okay, gotta go, bye. The game was so much fun. I wish I would have vlogged more. I really need to be better about that, but it's just so busy. Like, I want to vlog at halftime and whenever I can more to show you guys the whole experience. Anyway, we were all super hungry, so we went to Cane's after and ate there. It was really fun. Most of the footage that I got is unusable though because the mic was covered up, but this is what I do have. Oh, we won the game. It was so much fun. It was 35 to 27.
You know what I'm annoyed about though? Is that like every other school they have the student section. Like they have the cheerleaders right in front of the student section. They made our student section behind the goalpost. So we couldn't see like any of the cheerleaders. And like
they said at other games it's not gonna be like that. It's just there were so many people cheering.
our school's never won that many games.
And that's all for this video. If you made it all the way to the end, please comment your favorite part and I will send out some gift cards because this video was not a short one. I love you guys so much. I am so grateful for it's 6 a.m. I woke up before school so I could finish editing this video. But I'm so grateful for all your support. Subscribe if you haven't already. Go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you can find me on social media. I love you guys and I will see you soon in my next video.
Bye, chat.